Hello, I'm Alethea Price, Boyle County Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Welcome to the video series, Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens. This program is in partnership with the Boyle County Public Library. Each week on Thursday at 4 p.m., a new video will be released online. Each video has a kit to go with it. You can pick your kit up for free at either the Boyle County Public Library or the Boyle County Extension Office. This week on Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens, we will finish our 4 simple steps to food safety with the 4th step, chill. Refrigerate promptly. Bacteria that cause food poisoning multiply quickest between 40 degrees and 140 degrees. Let's talk a little bit more about that, the danger zone. Leaving food out too long at room temperature can cause bacteria to grow to dangerous levels that can cause illness. Bacteria grow most rapidly in the range of temperatures between 40 degrees and 140 degrees, doubling in number in as little as 20 minutes. The range of temperatures we're referring to is called the danger zone. Never leave perishable foods out of refrigeration for more than 2 hours. If the food is exposed to temperatures above 90 degrees, like in a hot car or a summer picnic, refrigerate it within 1 hour. Never thaw or marinate foods on the counter. The safest way to thaw or marinate meat, poultry, and seafood is in the refrigerator. Do not take foods from the freezer and set them on the counter to thaw. This gives the food an opportunity to be in the danger zone. So, take foods that you want to thaw out of the freezer and put them into the refrigerator until they are thawed and ready to cook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to find a link to a survey in the description. For those of you who fill out the survey, your names will be entered into a drawing to win a grand prize. Join us next week as we wrap up this Cooking Skills for Teens and Tweens series with a food demonstration.